sa ilalim ng banyo. Everybody, good morning. For today's video, tara, samahan niyo akong pumunta sa Angkor Wat. Si Angkor Wat, ano siya? Isa na siya sa 8 Wonders of the World. So, tara, it's 3:30 in the morning. And pa ako. But we have to go at 4:30 in the morning para maabutan naman yung sunrise nun. Which is yung pinaka-famous na pwede mong gawin dito sa Cambodia. So, let's go. Let's do it. Grabe yung dedication ko sa vlog, diba? Ang talk show ang mami mo, shoota. Let's go, let's go. Got a slot? You got a slot for today?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Oh, ayun. So, everybody, dito yung pick up. So, tara. Mag-8 Wonders of the World tayo. So, gonna have to fix my things. Nakaraan ko pa ito nahanap. Nakita ko din siya. Congrats! You woke up. Did you sleep? No.
I slept a bit.
Okay.
I slept like for 1 hour.
Uh-huh.
The rest of the time I was like half asleep.
Okay. Wait. For boys, it's allowed to show your knees?
Oh.
Okay, cool. Hoy, pag pumunta kayo doon, bawal yung shoulder tsaka knees sa may dala akong jacket, ha? It's okay? Oh. Oh, again, everybody, for girls, should cover your shoulder and the knees. Hindi man ko babae. Uy. Pero sinabihan ako, mag-cover ka pa din. Sundin mo na lang. I was not supposed to bring this bag, but I think it deserves to be with me when I come to the 8 Wonders of the World. So, dinala ko to kahit ayoko. Ayoko sana siyang dalhin, pero deserve niyang sumama sa 8 Wonders of the World. Huy, itong bag na to, kasama ko to sa lahat. Hindi ka maiiwan today kahit anong mangyari. Hindi kasi matching sa outfit, kaya ayokong dalhin. Pero, hindi pwede. Kailangan niyang makita yung 8 Wonders, girl. Yung ang aga-aga ko nag-ayos, tapos... Oh, okay. You okay here, Luis? Are you okay to be part of my vlog?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Amazing.
Camera, my bad.
Oh, show, no worries. Wait,
Let's go.
ano na, magpa-5 na. Nagmadali pa naman ako kanina. I was fixing myself really fast earlier. And then suddenly, 30 minutes pa. Sana inayos ko pa yung blush on ko. Hello! I met you, G. Oh, ayan. Papaalis na kami. So, let's do this. So, kami tatlo lang yung we're the only 3 who didn't book a guide. So, we're together. Okay, say hi. Oh, ayan. Tatlo kami. I gotta speak English. So, in case you wanna watch this. Filipino mix English, yeah. But if I'm with someone, I'm doing my best to speak English because in case that you want to watch it, then you'll be able, yeah, you're gonna understand it. So everybody, here we go. Let's go to Angkor Wat Temple. Hoy, ano na ba? Ano nga? It's almost 5 in the morning. So everybody, let's do it. Let's just show Siem Reap, Cambodia at 5 in the morning. So ayan. Nakatuktok kami, ang saya. Oh, ayan. You're gonna have a lot of exposures, Luis, because you're there.
Here in Asia.
Wait lang.
Yeah.
Nalibang ako sa usapan. Feeling ko lang ang ganda ng daan na to.
Which country?
Oh my God, I need to speak English because I told them that they should watch the vlog. But my vlog is not vlogging. Everybody, it's 5 in the morning. My English, I'm forcing it. Okay, so this is... I was just thinking that this place looks beautiful in the morning because the trees are giving. Shit. My English, my God.
Wow.
I think we arrived.
Oh, wow.
Okay, yeah, I think this is the place. Ah, what's
We
up?
arrive 7:20, come back here.
7:20.
Yeah, and then after
Okay.
we go.
Can I scan yours as well?
Scan out. From Philippines?
Yes.
Oh, idol, Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao.
Yeah,
Ah, okay,
idol,
Manny
idol.
Pacquiao. Okay.
Idol,
Say
yeah,
hi to
idol.
Say hi to Manny Pacquiao.
Yeah, hello.
Oh.
Pacquiao, Manny Pacquiao. Very nice.
Manny Pacquiao.
Yeah,
In
Manny
case you're
Pacquiao,
watching.
yeah.
Right, everybody, we have arrived, so we're here.
Yeah, idol, idol, yeah.
Idol. Okay,
Yeah, idol,
cool.
yes.
Wow. Kaya nakaka-proud yan. Alam mo yan, pag kilala talaga nila yung mga, ano sa atin, mga atleta. Hello, good morning. Thanks.
Okay,
Thank
thank you.
you. Hi, ayan. So, I think,
Good morning.
good morning.
How are
Yeah,
you?
I'm good.
Just me, we like how official tour guide for Angkor Wat.
No, I'm cool. I'm okay. No, we're good. Yeah, yeah. Yes. I think I'm okay. Thank you. Akan. Hoy, wala akong makita. Wait lang. Shit, wala akong makita. I forgot to bring my vlogging lights. I knew I forgot something. I knew it. I look like a ghost with this phone. Anyways, oh, mamaya tayo magkita-kita ha pag may makikita na kasi wala namang makikita at the moment. So ayan, naglalakad lang kami sa kadaliman. So everybody, in case you're going here, you should try to be here sunrise, okay? I know it's hard to wake up, but it's worth it. So ayan, itong mga kasama ko. So we don't know each other, we're just gonna do it all together. Everybody, I'm so sorry, I can't show you anything right now. So basically, we're walking. We have arrived, I think we're in the temple na. But the thing is that it's too early and still dark, so can't really see anything right now. But just in case you want to see what's happening, so ayan. Hoy, ayan na. So this is, wait. Tetodo ko nga yung lights ko. Just so you can see it, everybody. Wait ha. Ah, okay. And everybody, just to let you know that we have been standing here for almost, ano ba, 30 minutes or 40 minutes now. So we are all waiting for the sunrise. Grabe yung tao dito. Kaya kailangan mo rin pumunta ng maaga eh. Let's just see this. My gosh. So ayan, this is the reality, everybody. There's no people there. Here, not much. So we're all waiting for this. Hoy, if you're going here, waking up early is worth it, trust me. Kung arte girl, if you're seeing one of the 7 wonders of the world, gumising ka. Blush on ka, magkilay ka. Kala ko hindi ako maganda, kala na maganda pala ako. Almost. Hi everybody, let's go. Let's all watch the sunrise together. Hi everybody, basically, so ito talaga yung mararamdaman mo once we're here. Diba kanina super dark, we arrived here around 5, I guess. And then, ayan. So, I think if you're gonna come here, try to be here as early as possible so you can get this same spot where am I. Because otherwise, you're gonna be at the back. Hi everybody, so eto na to. Nag-expect ako ng yellow, walang yellow sun. So mag-picture-picture na. Let's go. So just, thank you. Amazing. More. Have. Do like this. Just do like that. Yeah, good. Okay, good. One, two. What about you?
I don't want any pinky though.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, she's done. Hi everybody, that's gonna be it. So ayan siya. So 1 hour kaming almost naghintay dito to see this. So ayan na ang sunrise. Wala yung mga dilaw-dilaw. In-expect ko may mga dilaw-dilaw siya. Wala man siyang parang ganun. Uy. So ayan everybody ha. O diba, another bucket list unlock. Pasok tayo sa 7 wonders of the world. Laban mo yan. So, ayun na, solo. Ang saya, bongga. Kaya alam niyo ba, for the first time, I did a little research about the place. So, this place took 30 years to build. And it has been standing here for the last 900 years. But no, walang letter R ko. Yun na naman tayo sa mga British kunong accent. Oh, ayan na. Tara, let's go. Oh, ayan, ha? Gumising ng alas 2 ng... Ay, ano mas ba ako gumising? 3:30 naman. 3:30. Oh, tapos ko yung kilay ko ng 4. Kaya yung blush on, mga highlight, mabilisan na lang 10 minutes. Pero yung kilay, pinag-investan ng oras. Hello. Thank you. Diba? Hoy, tara maglakad pa tayo. Yung itsura ko. Yaan mo na. Kaya na nagagandahan ako sa sarili ko. Sinakay ako sa tuktok, girl. Winasak yung itsura ko. Hoy, hala. Full experience to everybody. This is the full experience. If ever you decided to go here in Cambodia. Hey, alam mo kanina, chill lang ako. Tapos yung katabi kong babae, bigla siya nagsabi, sabi niya, how long have you been here? Nagchika-chika siya. Sabi ko, ay, how long? Sabi niya, is it your first time? Sabi ko, yes. Tapos, sabi niya, it's my 3rd time here. Sabi ko, wow. Tapos sabi niya, the first time that I was here, I fell in love with it. Sabi ko, so, naging extra meaningful tuloy yung visit ko dito. Kasi pag ako, parang, syempre, nakakatuwa, nakaka-mesmerize. Mesmerize. Pero pag yung mga ganong story, nakakadagdag, di ba? So, ayan, tara. So, nagkaganap ang mga pa-picture na magaganda. Kaya mo na, sa video ko na lang ibabawi. Hindi ako makapag-picture na. Kasi, may mga kasama rin ako. Tsaka we have to be back there ng 7:30. So, tara. Lakad-lakad lang tayo. Let's enjoy the place. So, ito pa. Si Luis palang ito eh. Bait yan. Lahat naman mabait sa akin. Totoo naman din kasi. Nag-i-Englishan. Alam mo na pag Englishan lumalayo ako, di ba? Alam mo na mga galawan ko. Kunyari lang, okay. Tapos umaalis na ako. yung tipong yung tipong ibigay ko lang yung energy yung kailangan. Tapos umaalis na ako ulit. Shall we go up? Let's go. Oh, ayan. Akyat. I'm already giving the tour, okay? So you will know if you liked it or not because this cost $37. So I need to make as much videos as I can. I'm telling my subscribers that I'm giving them a full tour so they can decide if they want to go here or not because this cost me $37.
Plus the ticket for the tuk-tuk.
Yes.
It's more expensive.
And plus you woke up so early for this. Yeah. Okay na yun. Ganun lang yung English ko. Mga lang, 1 minute lang. Konting conversation lang yung kaya ko. Hindi ko kayang ituloy. Ay, talaga naman. Uy, it's worth it. Pumunta kayo. Charot-charot lang yung baka hindi. May mga konting construction. Alam niyo naman, syempre, to maintain the place. Pumunta kayo. Ang ganda. Ma-appreciate niyo to. You're gonna feel something different once you're here. It's feel ancient. Ay, paano daw? Ayan ha, do not climb. Oh, kayong pasaway ha. Sundin niyo yung mga nakaano ha. Pag sinabing do not climb. Do not climb. In your
My
language.
language es bienvenidos.
Ah?
Welcome.
Ah,
Es bienvenidos.
as bienvenidos.
Bienvenidos.
Manghirap man, welcome na lang. Just say welcome. Say welcome to...
Bienvenidos a Angkor Wat.
Anarwat. Ito ng pronunciation. Okay. Gracias, señor.
Nada. ¿Es Angkor o Angkor?
Angkor Wat.
Angkor Wat.
Yeah.
Pero también se escribe como Wat.
What?
¿Wat o Wat?
What? Just what? Angkor Wat.
Angkor Wat.
Yeah. What? No, what?
Wat.
Not what.
Angkor Wat.
Yes. Without...
Okay.
Nagbabaliwan tayong dalawa dito. Ang aga-aga. Ano ba yan? Uy, ang ganda nito. How do you say beautiful?
Bonito. Sí, bonito.
Si bonito?
Sí,
Beautiful.
Precioso.
Ha?
Bonito, precioso,
Ah, precioso, precious. Beautiful. Galing, no?
lindo.
Lindo?
Pero lindo es más diferente.
Different.
Para otras, for other things. No, lindo es ah, peluche. Bear, bear of
Bear? Ano?
play, toys.
Toys?
Bear, toys,
Bear.
bear. Yeah,
Yeah.
es lindo.
Lindo.
Dog.
Nahihirapan na tayo, Luis.
Bonito.
Bonito. Oh, ayan. Oh, bonito daw. Ang ganda. Oh, everybody, let's go. Was able to take a good photo for my uploads and TikTok as well. So let's go. Let's do it. Let's keep walking. Let's keep. Sorry, so sorry. Let's go. Vamos. Vamos, right? Ready? Yeah, vamos. What is muy bien?
Very good.
Very good, muy bien. Muy bien.
Then, wow.
No, because Dora the Explorer. It's famous in the Philippines. Diba? Thanks to Dora the Explorer, I know how to speak Spanish. Feeling ko dati pwede ba itong akyatin? May paakyat na magaganap.
Short are okay, but not too short.
Hindi giving yung dress. Oh, everybody pagpunta kita, don't wear a dress. Just wear pants, it's easier. Kaya na naman, Diyos ko po. Pang ako nakakamove on sa Batu Caves. Teka nga, puro pwet ni Kuya nakikita. Paunahin ko sila naman. Sorry, hindi ko napansin. O, ayan, pwede na. Layo tayo kaunti. Masyado nakasum sa pwet niya. Nakaka-stress. Hindi nakakatuwa. Hindi nag-enjoy. Pangit kaya nung palagi edit ka tapos pwet makikita, nakakabad trip. Masasayang yung footage ko niyan. Ako yung taas pala nito. Tapos hawak-hawak yung dress ko. Shucks. Mali yung decision ko. Taas. Akitin ko to kasi kasama to sa $37 ko. Sulitin natin to. That's a good exercise.
A little exercise.
Yeah. Can feel my heart now. Blood is flowing. Alam mo, nakakatawa yung mga reaction ko. Pero mas nakakatawa yung reaction ni Luis. Let me just check it. Sorry. Ang gwapo naman nun, shucks. Tignan mo, hala. Kung ganyan yung mga makakasama mo. Mag-book kasi kayo ng ticket. Kaya puro pag-iinom sa kanto, tanta lang yung pagtambay sa Morato. O, ito pala yung kanina nakikita ko. Yan pala siya. Oh, ganda. Okay, promise, ang ganda dito. Huwag niyo iisipin yung babayaran niya pag pumunta kayo dito kasi it's worth it. Nakaka-amaze talaga yung infrastructure. Ay, paano daw? Yung dalawang kasama ko, no? Kailangan ganyan yung mga kaibigan mo para na-inspire ka magpaganda. Hello? Pag ganyan makikita mo, sumama ka talaga. Kang tatanggi. Ako na nagsasabi sa iyo. Everybody, just to let you know, so when you go here, that's where they're gonna put you. So we were there earlier. So my first few shots were taken from that place. So, yeah. So, ayun lang. Sinabi ko lang. Baka gusto nyo lang malaman. So, andito na tayo sa part na, yung nakikita natin kanina. Galing, no? Diyos ko, Panginoon, paano nila ginawa yan? Yung mga small details na, hindi na small details yan, detailed talaga yan, Wait, imagine mo, ayan na siya, Ganda, no? I really appreciate it.
You should. It's beautiful.
Yes, because not all the people can go here and see one of the 7 wonders of the world.
I think a lot of Cambodian people don't even have the chance to go here. So
Yeah, imagine that. Kunyari, naiintindihan ko. Pero Cambodian lang yung nagets ko doon. Chakis lang. What? Nice? Huh? What?
The toilet.
Same. I was thinking about the same thing. Toilet. O, diba? Kala ko ako lang, buti nag-aya siya. Maybe we can just, along the way, we can just ask the tuk-tuk driver if that's okay with Louis. Luis, tuk-tuk, toilet.
Yeah.
Okay. Nilaloko ko siya. Uy.
We go to the Netherlands.
Yes, please, because we didn't experience it earlier. So we were there. So doon kami naglalakad kanina doon with the monkeys. My God.
Almost died.
Yes. May isang biglang monkey, biglang sumigaw-sigaw. Dahil tumakbo talaga ako ng very light. Ay, nakaitim mo. Kung ganyan ng ganyan, girl. Pumunta ka dito. Pasok na pasok sa akin. Tulo. Market ko yan. Si Luis pa lang ito. Huy, Angkor Wat, thank you. Ayun na, everybody. Ang ganda niyan, promise. Pumunta kayo dito. Everybody, go to Cambodia to visit Angkor Wat. It's basta worth it. Parang, ewan ko, may something inside. Hindi dahil Seven Wonders siya, not just that. Because there's really something there. If you know what I mean. So, ayun, pumunta kayo. See the place. Ay, hello po mga taga-Cagayan de Oro. Manila po. Opo. Hi po kayo. Hoy, tinan mo to, ang ganda oh. So, ito yung nalakaran nyo.
All of this was just for one thing.
Wow.
That should be me though.
Hala, piling ko, nararamdaman ko, next time, it's gonna be Taj Mahal. Ay, hala, may mga pa-Taj Mahal lang magaganap. Isa yan, sa manifest pa natin, Taj Mahal. Yun na lang kaya gawin ko, no? Puntahan ko lahat ng puntahan ko lahat ng wonders of the world. Malay mo ko rin pang Siyam. Di ba? Kay Toretto Monument. Charis. Malay mo lang bakit? Di pa huling lahat, malay mo magkagusto sa aking hari. Diba? Paggawan ako ng sariling Taj Mahal. May ipapabaklas akong building sa Caloocan ng monumento. Ay, monumento sa Caloocan. May napili na ako. May napili na akong location.
From Philippines.
Yeah.
So Manny Pacquiao.
Ah, you love Manny Pacquiao, ha? Okay. Ha? Akon. May kasama kasi ako, kaya hindi na ako nag-entertain ng mga picture-picture pa. We look the same?
No. I said I didn't know that you could understand each other.
No, we don't.
Ah, okay, because I thought
No, we
I thought
don't.
you can understand each other
No.
because you're talking to so many people.
Me?
Yeah.
Everywhere I go, they talk to me. I don't know also why. Yeah.
In which language do you speak then?
Filipino English.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
'Cause I was wondering.
They just know Manny Pacquiao. It's a famous boxer.
the boxer.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
What?
Accent.
Yeah, yeah. The Philippine accent. Yeah, that's why we understand each other. Because I have this accent na. Walang ngiti, oh.
Everything.
Gigi, what?
Didn't say anything.
Okay, everybody, ito yung dinadaanan namin kanina, oh. Ay, sinasabi kong parang magandang mga puno-puno, di ba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng panahon, malamig pa. So, ayun na, we have just left the Angkor Wat, heading to the next location, which I don't know. So, let's just go with the flow, but it looks beautiful from here. Feeling ko ayun na yun, yung nasa dulo. So, let's do it. Let's go. Hi, everybody. So, this is gonna be our next location. So, we're heading here. Ganda. Buti ng Cambodia ako, no? Kahit ano lang siya, kahit ito yung ano parang accident lang naman. Hindi naman dapat magka-Cambodia, pero dito na tayo. 'Di ba? Kaya minsan, pag may nag-aaya sa inyo, sumama kayo. Kasi yung mga best memory was created by the unexpected journey. Ay, paano daw? Paano daw sinabi ko? Ay naman, English ulit. Alam mo na, may mga English, meaning lumayo. Lumayo tayo sa mga ganyan. I-reserve yung energy para sa vlog. O, ito na. We're about to enter na. Oh, hello. Huy! My God, 7 wonders of the world. Talaga naman, hindi ka bibiguin. Again, everybody, if you go to Cambodia, go here, okay? Wait, are we supposed to walk here?
I think so.
Okay, sure. Just making sure. Taray nung entrance, so hala. Tapos ang ganda pa ng ano ko, ng footage ko, 'di ba? Ang saya. So, 'di ba? Nag-enjoy ako, nag-enjoy yung mga nanonood, nag-enjoy lahat, masaya yung buhay. Ganon. Again, ride? Ah, okay. I thought you were gonna let us walk there. Kala ko paglalakad rin kami, girl. Hinanda ko na yung sarili kong maglakad. Kala ko paglakad rin kami tatlo doon. Uy. Tuk-tuk ride. Oh, ito yung sinasabi ko, ang ganda ng daan, di ba? Amazing. Oh, everybody. So, eto na. Akala ko pwede na magtanggal ng panlabas na damit. Hindi ko tuloy makita yung backless ko, girl. So, we're heading to another temple pala. So, ayan. Oh, okay lang. So, kuya, bigla ka lang hinihinto kung saan-saan eh. O, ito, may chika ulit yan. Yes. Mm.
Like this here.
Ah, diba?
I walk around the city in the many fish.
Uh-huh.
The name by yacht, only smiling fish, only up go to the temple.
Okay.
Not like here, go to me parking over there.
Uh-huh.
Around all finish in over there.
Okay.
Yeah, up to you. You know the group, only find your temp.
Okay.
Next location. May mga monkey daw dito. True. I know. Pakita ko lang siya from here. O, ayan siya. Mm. Tanen! Hola! Oh, everybody ha. May nakalagay. Do not touch the carvings. Sa Angkor Wat, I think it's okay, but I would recommend not to do it, even if it's okay. Just to take care of it, no? So, ayan. Oh. Okay, I think we can go here. Ooh. Oh, ito siya. Ala. Ganda, no? Na-amaze ako. I hope you're amazed too. Paano daw? Hoy, this is still part of the of the $37. Huh? Just letting you know. I go there or just go straight?
I think you went there.
Luis? Yoo-hoo! Luis! Hola, señor! Oh, see, he's answering. Señor! Ah, there he go. Hysteric. Oh, where did you buy this? Sorry. Where did you buy? Not here, far. Ah, far. Why? Porque señora. Diba? I know. Porque señora. They have coffee. Next step, coffee.
Next up, coffee.
Yeah. Excited na ako sa coffee. Uy, gusto ko na magkape. No, it's too early. I don't have appetite in the morning. Do you eat in the morning?
Not that early.
Yeah, that's too. Did you?
Yes.
Good. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Toast. And a bata. A ba'a? A toast with a ba'a? And a ba'a a wa'a? Yay. Louis say A. No, do like this. It is. Wait.
Yes,
A. Do the A.
That's like
Yeah.
the that's like the surfer thing, right?
Yeah, it's a thing. Usain sa Pilipinas, uy. Dinala ko lang sa Cambodia. Porque contigo yo ya escogí. Ahora mi corazón te sufrí. It's Spanish, right? Bien simple lang iyo tapiti. Ah, thank you. Maybe we will meet all there together
I
again.
want to.
Okay, we're
to go
all
to-
gonna meet in the Philippines, then we're all gonna meet in Gran Canaria. I don't think you guys want to come to Germany because it's ugly there.
Don't say that in the vlog. Germany is beautiful.
No, Germany is
Okay.
amazing.
Aha. Oh, it didn't come from me, ha? Okay, ano dyan? So, sa kanya, sa kanya galing yun, taga doon siya, pwede niyang sabihin yun. Ako hindi ko pwedeng sabihin niya, mababash ako.
Döner? Yeah, kebab.
Kebab?
Mm.
Fuck.
It's pretty much the best one in Germany, actually.
The
Yes.
kebab.
In Berlin.
Whew. Why are we talking about the food now?
We're gonna have food soon.
Yeah. Is it part of the what we paid for now?
No, we have to pay for yourself.
Mali mo lang. Ay, nabugo sa yung libre. Donut?
In Berlin?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mustafa.
Pag-uusap nila.
It's in my
Kaya
opinion,
umaalis
that's
ako eh. English
Then
kasi.
Kebab as well.
Yeah. Yes.
Ja, genau.
Na pag hindi ko alam yung sasagot ko, yes lang ako. Pag sa inyo, ganun lang yun. Para, pag di nyo alam sabihin nyo, mag-yes lang kayo. Kung ano-ano pang, yan. Kasi, huwag na kayo magpanggap na alam nyo pa. Oo. Kaya mga pag social climber dyan, pag di mo alam, mag-yes ka lang. Agree, no, ganun lang. For the vlogging. Hello, everybody. It's Kate Loreto here in Cambodia. Hello. Hola. Hola, señora. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Paano?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás? Pwede na yun? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Ganun pala. ¿Cómo estás? Let's go. How do you say how are you in Germany?
Wie geht's dir?
Huh?
Wie geht's dir?
Begits you?
Yeah, how are you? Wie
Begits?
geht's? That's like the short version.
Begits. Like baguette, but begits.
Yeah.
Begits. Okay. Huwag tayo mag-aral ng language mga oras na to. Tara. Okay, where's the monkey? Alam niyo na, may takot ako sa monkey. Baka hatakin yun yung buhok ko, girl. Baka sumama. Paano ko to babawiin sa kanya? Yeah. Coffee? Dumosh? No, in Spain, it's cafe.
Sí, in
Germany?
German, Dumos,
Dumosh?
ein Coffee.
How do you say coffee in Germany?
Kaffee.
Cafe?
Dumos,
Dumos? Ano na pinag-uusapan namin, shucks? Ah,
We have like the.
narinig niyo yan, ah.
It's like the O.
Pakinggan nyo na lang, ah. Kung anong, parang hindi ko na-explain sa vlog ko yan.
Pronounce for other countries.
May amo na sila lang mag-uusap. May tumagan yung bagay-bagay, girl. Diba? Nananahimik kasi ako sa Dubai. Yung mga tropa ko, mga kabayan. Nag-travel ako. Hirap lang intindihan, uy.
It is. It is German. It's so difficult.
Yeah. Diba? I told you, sabi ko sa'yo, ganun lang yung mga reaction mo dapat. See? Alamin mo lang yung yes or no sa language, yun na yun. Oo. Huwag ka nang lumayo pa. Ganun lang yun. That's the first step to have international friends. See? How do you say yes in Germany?
Yeah.
Same, yeah.
Yeah, that was right,
Okay.
you said.
Yeah. O, diba tama? In the Philippines, oo.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, oo.
Uh-oh.
Oo. What? Ay, ang dami ng unggoy. Diyos ko, anong ginagawa mo dito? Si pinsan ko yun. Mukha kasing unggoy yun. Oh, Kaya pala hindi ka nagpaparamdam. Diyan ka pala. Ikipagkutuhan ka dyan, lentek ka. Where? The monkey? Yeah, of course. I'm not scared. Why? My God, it's just a monkey. Let's go back. Hoy, they're coming.
Oh, we're not allowed to.
Hoy, what is that in the bomb?
That's like the monkey type. I
Almorana.
think they are.
Almorana.
Almorana.
Narinig mo yung sinabi niya? Wait, is that a Spanish? The Almoranas?
Almorana.
Yeah, I know that. We know Almoranas. Yeah. Ang dami-daming sasabihin. Bakit ay naman? Masarap ulo din siya. Bakit naman napunta sa Almoranas yung usapan namin? Hoy.
Oh my god.
See, now you're scared, right?
Oh,
Oh, wait. Don't move.
don't. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe we should go down. Yeah, maybe. Or maybe we should go up. Diba? Ngayon, umaalis. Na-o-orkot ka. Diba? Whose decision is to go here, huh? Is he following us?
No.
Let's go. Hey, Luis, let's go. Wait. Let's go. Wait. Just stay away. Whew. There's monkey. What? Fucking scared. I was holding Luis like this. No. Grabe yung hawak ko kay Luis. Yeah, they're cool. Hala. Gusto ko makiinom ng kape. Malit naman.
Wait.
Now let's just wait for them.
Bye.
Ay. Taray, may patiktok din naman pala na nagaganap. Okay.
A lot of French people here.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah, everywhere.
And it is said a lot.
He what?
Un respecto de unexpected commentaries
Yeah.
from maybe.
may chinchika siya, sumuko na siya. Are we on the same place?
Yeah, we're supposed to meet him here. So yeah.
Oh, okay. He's there. Hoy, everybody. So, ayan. Tapos na kayo mag-temple run. Hinabol kami ng unggoy. That monkey! Na-stress ako sa monkey, girl. Oo. Na ano ako? Stress ako. Masaya ako kanina. Nabawasan yung saya ko. Whew. Little adventure. Stress ako sa monkey.
Yeah, because maybe it's the most funny tour.
Yeah.
Yeah. With you.
Where were you when the monkey was there?
Behind you guys. I was just saying behind you.
I can't process anything when I saw the monkey.
I was just like, nope, okay. And then I just.
And thank you for being my shield. I was like, Luis. Grabe yung pagkakahawa ko sa kanya.
I'm scared.
I didn't scratch you.
Scared of that.
I am scared. Yeah, I was really, really scared.